and greetings and welcome to the Rasta Village in the heart of Little Haiti. We're honoring tonight our Haitian Flag Festival. To my left, I have Most Val, and to my right, I have this wonderful group, Skunk 8 Gang. The Skunk 8 Gang. All right. To my left, I'm going to talk a little bit about this gentleman, Andre. Tell me a little bit about your business and tell me a little bit about yourself.
So my name is Andre from Most Val. I started this clothing line because I'm a graffiti writer, and I was never into fashion or nothing like that. So the name I chose, Most Val, represents me and my homeboys as a group, and also is kind of a steer away from the fashion world. So I feel like I'm the most Val from the whole fashion industry, even though I'm in it.
All right, big up, Most Val. What type of clothes or artistry do you provide?
My clothes is street culture, street inspired.
Well, we thank you and we appreciate you going to be in attendance here in the Rasta Village for Haitian Flag Day on May the 20th. Over here to my right, I have these gentlemen that represent Skunk 8 Gang. Talk to me. Tell me what you're all about.
We make rap music. It's about 6 of us, 6 members, actively rapping right now. Our music is mainly hype energy, just a lot of fun, yeah. Having a lot of fun.
Would you like to share a little bit about your music? Can you freestyle for me right quick?
I would like to give it in full form, so like what it'll be in like live. It would be best to wait till the show.
Okay, well we're excited about the show and we're happy to have you here, Skunk 8 Gang. Would you like to say something, sir?
We make our own music videos, we make our own edits, our own logos. We're very homegrown. We came from Miami and that's what we're representing and that's what we're gonna do.
All right, so we represent 305-786-954-754. We are live in the Rasta Village tonight with Most Val, and again, this wonderful rap group, Skunk 8 Gang, as you can see on the gentleman's t-shirt. We're going to be having all kinds of music here. What culture do you represent?
I mean, we're down with all types of culture. It's really like the youth that we represent. But we definitely like reggae, we like Jamaican culture, Haitian culture, all that. I mean, we grew up around a bunch of diversity in Miami, so it's really, it's endless amount of culture that we...
One love.
Yeah.
One love, enough respect, right? I know, that's Miami, that's the heart of Miami. Guys, I appreciate you being here, and once again, these gentlemen are going to be representing live in the Rasta Village on May the 20th.